Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So in today's video, I'm going to be thrifting at the Goodwill. So come on with me, guys. Okay, so it kind of seems that sometimes I'm looking at the same stuff or they're rotating and I'm finding it in different parts of the store. But I guess that's part of thrifting, so let's flow with it, guys. Also noticing that in this particular Goodwill, they have a lot of vintage dolls. And they're probably worth some money, I'm not sure, but they are beautiful. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who've known me for a while or even from the very beginning, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting all of my channels. So I do have three, and this one is the main one, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. I do have a second channel. It's called Simply Grace Lifestyle. And I also have my Bible journey. And that's called My Kara's Journey. So I'm going to link all three of my channels down below, and I'm really excited. I hope to see you there. I hope that you support me. Click the like button and leave a comment because I would love to hear from you. Did you know that clicking the like button and full watching a video, even sharing the video, this helps me to grow. And commenting below just lets me know how you're enjoying the video. Now don't forget to head on over to my community tab, where there you will see the calendar of collaborations for the month of February 2024. Very exciting. If anybody wants to join, they're all open collaborations, and so you're invited to all of them. Just use the hashtag and I'll be more than happy to add you to the playlist. And this includes Tablescape Tuesdays. Now don't forget that Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Use the hashtag Tablescape Tuesdays 24, and once again, I will add you to the playlist. It is so much fun. I can't wait to see you there, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the shopping trip as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.